guys, we're going to be doing a bandana look number 2, so let's get started. First you're going to need a bandana, just any regular bandana will do. I'm using a curling iron. This one is a 3/4 barrel and it's Conair Infinity. And then I'm going to be using Chi 44 Iron Guard, and this is just to protect my hair from the heat. And that's about all we're going to be using. So my hair has just air dried, and I'm just going to spray it all over. Alright. We're going to separate our hair into sections. So we're going to grab the top part. And we're just going to pin curl like I always do. It pins out. And the hairspray I love to use is 24-hour body because it really keeps my hair's curls intact. So we're just going to grab this, and we already sprayed our whole head with that Iron Guard from Chi. So you don't want to clamp it all the way to the tips. You want to kind of clamp it in the middle and then slowly release. And then just hold in place. And then grab it with your finger and roll it around the finger. And then let go. Slide your finger out, wrap it around your finger, slide your finger out, and then you clip it down like a little pin curl.
I hear that train a-comin', it's rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since, well, I don't know when, but I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train just keeps rolling, on down to the San Antonio. I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy and don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. And when I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and I cry.
Okay, when you get to the crown area, you just want to comb it really good. Then you're going to separate it into 2. Okay, then you're going to spray down here if you have the stubborn bangs or little baby hairs that come out, which I do. You're going to break the front part into 4 pieces. You're going to curl this way. Grab it like that. Wrap it around your finger. Clap it. Alright, now we're going to grab another section. And you're going to do this the opposite way you did the last one. Okay, So you're going to grab this little hair, wrap it around your finger, place it into place, and slide your finger out. Pin them down. You're just going to hairspray it. And then all of this is already curled. So you're just going to hairspray it a little bit more. And then you're just going to take all the curls out. And once they're out, you're just going to hairspray them. Okay? We're not really going to use these curls because they're going to be inside the bandana. So you want to just tuck them in. That way, if you decide to go for another look, you don't have to curl all of it anymore. Again. Okay? Okay, then you're going to grab your bandana and fold it into a triangle. And you're not going to fold it into sections like we did the other one. We're just going to grab it right there, all the way to the end. Go up straight. Okay? Then we're going to grab this one that's flopping around. And we're going to grab the little tip and we're going to tuck it in right underneath what we just tied. If you want to tie this tighter, you can. For the things to stick up, since I have such a big head, I'm just going to keep it out, but normally I would fold it twice. Okay, so I'm just going to pull on this, tuck my flyaways in, and then pin it. Tuck this in. I like to cover my ears with the bandana, so it's up to you, you don't have to cover them. Okay, then we're just going to take all the rollers that we did out. And we're going to hairspray them some more. Okay? And now, obviously, right now, it looks really crazy. You wrap your finger around it, kind of like an organized mess. So you want kind of the messy look, but you want it nice and organized. That way, it looks messy, but you still have control over it. I'm going to grab the other section. So all together, this is going to be like 3 or 4 sections, depending on how much hair you have in the front. Alright, so there you have it, an organized, messy, Rosie the Riveter look. Hope you guys like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.